So if I want to import a rubric from my resources, I can do that in a course simply. So let's say, I know I created a rubric in another class. I've saved it to my resources, and now I want to use that rubric again in this class. I can go to Add Materials, Import from Resources, and here in my home resources folder, I have my rubrics folder, and I can go in there and I can select the rubric or rubrics that I want to import, and I can import that rubric. So discussion rubric MLG, Mastery Learning and Grading version. And so I've imported that into my folder. So you might think, oh, it's not here. The rubrics, remember, will appear under your grade setup and under rubrics. And so I can see all the rubrics that I have here. And if I want to get rid of any rubrics, like I have way too many of these live attendance rubrics. I'm not quite sure why. But I would really like to clean that up one day when I have time. So, but I should be able to find the rubric in there. And then when I go to my materials, I can create an assignment. And now I'm going to have the scrolling problem, but nonetheless, in there, if I scroll this all the way down, I can go to my rubric and I can find the, I think it's going to be at the bottom because it was the last one in discussion rubric MLG. And now that rubric is in my assignment.